Just remove the pencil dust. If you have charcoal set, then tell me. We'll go with the charcoal set. We'll require a one eraser and a cutter or a knife to cut it, or with the scissors also you can do it. That is for the highlighting purpose.
Ma'am, for charcoal.
For everything, whatever we are doing, we will require it for the highlight purpose.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Amira.
Ma'am, how to remove the pencil dust from the pencil?
Just sharpen it. Do you have sharpener?
Yes, ma'am.
So sharpen it, take the pencil dust. See, I always do like this. I have this, like this. I keep the pencil dust. If I'm using Velo, I don't have any problem. But if you're using pencil, just for...
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, your shading pencil, I have bought this.
1 second. Just hold on. 1 minute, Vedika. Yes, everyone. I don't know, 2-3 people have told. As you come away, that is away from you or towards your vanishing point, your windows or door, it will not be visible. And if it is visible also, then it will be very small as compared to the earlier one. So please, I think 2 or 3 people have made that. Here also very nicely seen rectangle, and the door also is seen very nicely. It is not like that, just a line is there.
Hello.
Yes. Good evening, everyone.
Ma'am, is this set okay? Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, 1 second. Just hold on. Yes, what happened? Okay.
Ma'am?
Now, those who are, just listen once again. Everyone has joined. So those who are going to do with your shading pencils, please remove the dust of the highest pencil what you have. That is highest grade pencil, 10B, 6B, 8B, whatever, which is the highest one. Just remove the dust of that for giving a background. Then with the same pencil, we will give the detailing. Okay? Fast. Yes.
Is this what we're supposed to do?
Yes. Right. That is the pencil dust. And take a earbud, or if you have cotton stumps like this, then take a cotton stumps. Anything will do. These are, I take a black one.
I have a blender.
Huh? You can take the blender also. Blender, if you have blender, no problem.
Should we get the sharpener dust for that? Of the pencil?
Yeah. Pencil, sharpener dust only. Okay? And everyone open your videos. Okay, let's start like the other join afterwards. Done? I'll make the recording.
Like this?
Yes, like that. See, like this.
Recording in progress.
Yes, like that only. Okay, now
And then how to use it? Do I have to like rub it
Yes.
or like this?
you will have to have the earbud. You can load it with your earbud. If the area is big, you can spread it with your hand, or
Ma'am, is this fine?
yes,
Okay. Sure.
there it is true.
Yeah, ma'am, sure.
Yes, that is fine.
Do I need more or is this fine?
It is fine. Right now, fine. I'm just going to show small this much remaining slowly, slowly. You're going to wherever require. I'm just going to show it so that
Ma'am, I have earbuds, so can I use that?
huh?
I
Yes,
have
yes, you can use earbuds.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm going to do with my fingers, so is it fine?
If the space is big, you can do it with the fingers. But if the space is small, how you will be able to do with the fingers? Take a blunt pencil, any pencil, light pencil, blunt pencil, and load it with that.
Ma'am,
But you're going to just keep it, just take the tip of the pencil if you don't have earbud, okay? You're not going to load that pencil, means no scribbling effect should be there.
Ma'am, so should I use H pencil? HB pencil?
For loading, blunt, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I have just joined to what we have to do.
Will require the pencil dust of the which shading pencils you have. 2B, 4, no, not 2B, higher side, 6B, 8B, 10B, whichever is there. Just remove your pencil dust. And take the pencil dust, okay?
How much exact dust do we need?
Right now, I'll just show you how much, what we are going to do slowly, slowly. Once you do it, you will be able to do the remaining. If it is,
Ma'am,
yes,
you know how you've changed the curve and made a curve here? Do we have to make a curve?
no, it's not required. I have just given,
Okay.
yeah. Just hold on. One minute, just 1 minute.
just told to make the voice.
Yes.
Now she's started. I'm shutting it. Yeah, I'll start again when she starts.